Let's draw a boat.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John.
Red color.
Morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, dang, dong, ding, dang, dong.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock struck 6, oh fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Is that Lily won't pull? Mama's gonna buy you a cart and full.
Brown color.
And if that cart and
Let's learn the spelling. B-O-A-T, boat.
And if that dog named Clover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in
Light blue
town.
color.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.